If you want to write emails that actually convert, I'm talking replies, clicks, and sales, you need to stop writing emails and start writing intentional conversations. Let me show you how to make that shift with a simple 4-part framework: hook, value, proof, action. Step 1. Hook. The first sentence matters more than the subject line once someone opens. You have 2 seconds to earn attention. So ditch the "hope you're doing well" and start with a line that creates curiosity or relevance. Examples. Most founders write follow-up emails that get ignored. Here's why. Quick heads up, this fix doubled my click rate last week. Lead with a problem or unexpected benefit, not fluff. Step 2. Value. Now deliver something they care about. Not what you want to say, but what they need to hear. That could be a tip, a case study, a tool, or even just a line that makes them think. Keep it short. Avoid walls of text. Use bullet points if needed. If you can say it in 3 sentences, don't stretch it to 6. Step 3. Proof. People are skeptical. If you're asking for action, clicking, booking, buying, give them one line of proof. Examples. Over 12,000 subscribers grabbed this template in the last 30 days. Here's what a client said after trying this tweak. Even screenshots work. Just one quick piece of social or database credibility boosts conversions. Step 4. Action. Always end with one clear call to action. Not 3, not "let me know what you think" or "click here" or "forward this." Pick one goal and design the whole email to build toward it. Examples. Want to see how it works? Click here to grab the free example. Reply with yes and I'll send you the checklist. Also, avoid "let me know if you have questions." That's passive. Instead say, "If this sounds helpful, just hit reply with "I'm in." Bonus tips. Use short paragraphs, 1 to 2 lines max. Use white space. It makes reading easy on mobile. Read your email out loud before sending. If it sounds robotic, rewrite it. That's how you write emails that convert. It's not magic. It's structure, clarity, and human tone. If you want more frameworks and templates like this, hit subscribe or check the free email conversion guide below. Let's turn your emails into action.